protection that you talk about, man? And which part you know me, know which part you don't get protection.
Listen now, nobody play a fool for catch wise now, you know. Because somebody tell me, say, them see I carry a well-known person. We're big in the society, I go a big yard the other day. What? You never know, say my parish that. And that's the country that we come from.
And which big yard you talk about, eh?
This here big yard with the whole heap of flags inside there. I don't tell me, say you don't know where them do up there.
Well, where them do up them, me no business. Man, take me taxi go wherever I want go. When do they let up for him business? Look here, me love. You see now my line of work. You have to learn to see and blind here and there. Aye. You think say you can married man, take my taxi. You go look for them outside woman. I mean know the woman. I mean know the wife. I mean know what I want. I could have tell the wife. But me not do that. Because what? Me learn to see and lie here and there.
But you know, sister, you don't make no money in the taxi business, though. You don't see that.
Look here, I'm a root to you today. You better go to what is it you want? What you want? What you want?
Why, Sean, man, you would like no one going, you know. But something that on my mind just have bother my mind, so you know. I mean, I don't know how me I go put it to you, you know, Sean.
Well, if you don't put it to me in the next minute, I'll say, I'll get you out of me out.
Charlie, what do you think about me as a woman?
But see, how about you say to me, do I?
You know what I mean, man. I mean, if you find me good looking. Somebody who you could have taken make a good wife.
But man, you put question to me. So about Zaki?
Then if you really think about Charlie, but me know say anything you agree with, him now go disagree.
Oh, you frightened me. Well, to tell you the honest truth, me never really look for you in that kind of way. So, if you want me opinion, now you're going to have to go Margaret to me. Yes, Margaret, strike a pose. I want to get a in-depth study of your physiognomy. Margaret. Yeah, Margaret. Well, I don't know if it's you or the frack. Oh, you don't look so good to me. You want to like a refurbish you. No, but put fun and joke aside now. Tell me something. How long now since you and the one Zaki been along together?
About 8 years, 9 months, and 5 days. More or less.
No more or less, now you know that message. Zaki must love you if it's even for the memory. Somebody take them long for them ask them woman to marry to them, you know. Because some man feels that the minute you ask your woman to marry to you, you put the ring on her finger, the woman change. Because take your friend Jess for example. Look how she just ups and gone and left me and me and her look at nothing.
Jess may love you, know, Shalman, but she may feel jealousy control her too much.
So you want me to talk to Zaki for you, that's why you come over here, not true?
And listen now, just be careful how you put the question to him, you know. Because you know a man good for say, you saw she can pressure me hard. So just be careful, you hear me, sir?
And you really can't pressure him for true, you know. But you, Miss Merle, there is certain things in life that you must have to learn, you know. One, you have to learn how to treat your man. Two, you have to make your man feel that you're the best in everything. And three, you have to learn how to play your cards them.
Then you don't know that.
Let me tell you, if I know one already, I say go right.
Where you at now, party?
Last time I tell you, I'm come back. I'm tired right now. I look for you with the bright tower.
Merle, me never know say how I hear them, man. Me I call him to tell you I'm ready for leave, but me never hear you.
Yes, we get message from Miss Giles, figure Charlotte.
Charlie, me have hour and a half for me before I reach out work, you know. Come and play a game, no, man. Come on.
No, right. No, bother me, man. 1 year work, I want to start for me. I'm tired right now, it's shop. Oh, yes. Come and appreciate to here now. Because we don't want to embarrass me to see them when we meet them boy down at the shop.
All right, since I'm going to start on the domino business now later. And Charlie, remember the thing?
Yeah.
The message I get from Miss Giles.
All right, me dear, no one figure the thing. The message let me get from Giles.
All right, Shalman.
Come now, man. You come and me teach you how to play a partner game. Because nobody can depend on you as a partner.
You know, they accuse me, so I watch a game, you know. And I see a man dash for the game, no long shot the other day. And cast me around a lick. Because all me there wing tear, you know, see me yet.
So, if you know where you are going with when you have a like say chink and I tell you.
But you say the S, me check 1 yard. Me have S black. And if you check the 2 yard, me have double black.
Why you must do a walk your blast in the eye then? And then that me know me play, you know, man. Why me tell you, nobody can depend on you as a partner. Nobody, not even Merle.
Oh, Merle come in, something there she not play.
No, you're not play. But why you want you decide to man the belongings and you want to put the question of marriage to her?
You see how she can't pressure me party.
And it don't look like you can't take no pressure at all. Because watch you know, you're going to play that they carry, and you know see me I'm going to kill double dose. You have to watch the game and play, man. Why me tell you, nobody can depend on you as a partner, eh? Sure.
You see me? Me a want man who run down the marriage thing like some man, you know.
Some man like who, so? Well, you better me run it down and give my woman a sense of security than a ride your pelangers and a hang on like Snoopy. Just like how your man hang on for 8 years, 9 months and 5 days. Well, more or less.
Just so you can't pressure my body. Well, you see me not run on this marriage thing, I know. Because sometimes when I'm married to the man, them change. I mean, I think it's Merle me want to live with for the rest of my life.
So what wrong with Merle, eh? What wrong with Merle? So she can wash, cook, iron, clean and everything. And know she stick with you throughout all these years?
She stick by me, yes. But she love lick too much, man. She love beat up man too much.
Allah! tell me say you get your proper behind it, bro. But see, you want people to do it.